विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. मंत्रीपदाची शपथ घेतले उपरांत मंत्री जेनिफर मॉन्सेरातान देवाचे आनी भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे आपणाक संदी दिल्ले खातीर उपकार आटयल्यात. त्या भायर जे मंत्रीपद आपणाक मेळटले त्या पक्षाकडेन आपूण निश्ठेन वावरून न्याय दितली म्हण ह्या वेळार मंत्री जेनिफर उलयल्या. RD एक्सको खातीर दोना पावलाच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
First, I'd like to say thank you to God. I would like to say thank you to the Bharatiya Janata Party for giving me this responsibility, and I promise to work with diligence and to work together on the whole towards the portfolio given to me. I will meet up with Secretary Revenue and get a hold of what all has happened so far, and from there on I will take it on. I would prefer to make it more people friendly, because I think this goes all the way to grassroots level, and try and dispose of whatever cases are there as fast as possible, and generally work for the betterment of law and for the people.
So streamlining of Mamladar offices,
yes,
everything will
come once I take over. Let me go through everything that's there, and then I will decide how I have to follow through.
Ma'am, this will be a new experience for you with the BJP, working with the BJP, new setup, new people, maybe new mindset.
Yes.
Do you have anything on that?
So like everything new, it takes some time to adjust. I won't say it will happen very quickly. I will take some time to adjust to everybody, but I will make sure that I get along well with everybody and take everyone forward, take opinions of the Honorable CM, and I'm very thankful to him for the position that he has given me in the Bharatiya Janata Party.